Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Don't just stay busy. Focus on improving yourself every day. Your skills and knowledge are your greatest wealth. The more you learn today, the brighter your future will be. Once there was a massive ship that traveled across the deep blue ocean. This ship was enormous, carrying hundreds of passengers, hardworking crew members, and many workers. Even the wealthy owner of the ship was on board for this journey. For several days, the trip was perfect. The weather was clear, the waves were calm, and the powerful engine hummed along, pushing the giant vessel through the water. But suddenly, something went wrong. Right in the middle of the vast ocean, far away from any land, the ship's engine made a strange noise and came to a complete stop. The hum of the machinery was replaced by a terrifying silence. The search for a solution. Panic began to spread among the passengers and the crew. A ship this size needs its engine to move, to generate electricity, and to stay on course. Without it, they were just a giant piece of metal floating aimlessly in the water. The ship's engineers and mechanics rushed to the engine room. These were men who had studied machines for years. They opened up every panel, inspected every wire, and looked into every pipe. They used their tools to test the pressure and check the fuel lines. They worked through the heat and the grease, trying their absolute best to find the problem. Hours turned into a full day, and then 2 days. Despite all their hard work and effort, they could not find a reason why the engine wouldn't start. They were exhausted and discouraged. The owner of the ship became very worried. They were stranded. He knew that calling for a massive rescue team or a new group of experts from the nearest city would take at least 4 or 5 days. Every hour the ship sat still, he lost money, and the safety of the people on board became a bigger concern. An unexpected guest. After 4 long days of waiting, a small boat appeared on the horizon. Inside was an old man, nearly 70 years old. He had been sent because he was known as a master engine expert with decades of experience. When the old man climbed onto the giant ship, the young engineers and the ship's owner looked at him with doubt. He looked tired, his clothes were simple, and he carried only a small bag of tools. The workers whispered to each other, "What can this one old man do? We are a whole team of strong, educated engineers, and we failed. How can he solve this alone?" The old man didn't pay attention to the whispers. He didn't brag or boast. He simply asked to be taken to the engine room. The power of observation. Inside the engine room, the old man didn't start pulling things apart. He didn't start shouting orders. Instead, he stood very still and looked. He walked slowly around the massive engine, touching a pipe here and feeling the temperature of a metal casing there. He listened to the silence, as if the machine were trying to tell him a secret. He spent some time observing everything with deep, quiet attention. The engineers watched him closely, some of them smirking, thinking he was just wasting time. Finally, the old man reached into his small tool bag. He didn't pull out a complicated electronic device or a heavy wrench. He pulled out a small, simple hammer. He walked over to a specific part of the engine, a spot that looked no different from any other part. He took a deep breath and gave that spot one gentle, firm tap with his hammer. Clang! Immediately, a miracle happened. A deep rumble started low in the machine. The gears began to turn, the pistons started to pump, and the entire ship began to vibrate with power once again. The engine had come back to life. The crew was frozen in shock. They had spent 4 days tearing the engine apart, and this man had fixed it in minutes with a single tap. The cost of knowledge. The ship successfully finished its journey and reached the harbor safely. The owner was relieved and incredibly grateful. He went to the old man and said, "Sir, you saved my ship and my reputation. Please, tell me, how much do I owe you for your work?" The old man looked at him calmly and said, "The bill is 100,000. The owner gasped. 100,000? For a few minutes of walking around and one tiny hit with a hammer? That seems like a lot of money for such a small amount of work. Can you please give me an itemized bill to explain why it costs so much?" The old man took a piece of paper and wrote down his bill. Hitting the engine with a hammer, $1,000. Knowing exactly where to hit and how hard to hit, $99,000. The owner went silent. He looked at the paper and then at the old man. He realized that he wasn't paying for the physical labor of swinging a hammer. He was paying for the 40 years of experience it took for the man to know exactly which spot was stuck. He was paying for the wisdom that saved him millions of dollars in lost time. The owner smiled, shook the man's hand, and paid the full fee happily. Why skills matter more than just hard work. This story carries a powerful lesson for all of us in our daily lives. Often, we are told that hard work is the only key to success. We see people working 15 hours a day, sweating and struggling, yet they stay in the same place. Why? Because hard work without skill and direction is like rowing a boat that is tied to the dock. You're moving fast, but you aren't going anywhere. 1. The difference between effort and impact. The ship's engineers worked very hard. They were sweaty, tired, and busy. But their effort didn't produce a result because they didn't have the specific insight needed for that problem. The old man used very little physical effort, but his impact was massive. In the modern world, being busy is not the same as being productive. True success comes to those who can solve problems that others cannot. 2. The value of experience. Expertise is built over time. The old man could identify the problem quickly because he had likely seen thousands of engines before. He had made mistakes in the past and learned from them. This is why we must be patient with our own growth. You cannot become an expert overnight. Every day you spend learning your craft is an investment that will pay off later, just like the $99,000 the old man earned for his knowledge. 3. Specialization is power. In the story, the old man was a specialist. He didn't try to fix the sails, the kitchen, or the steering wheel. He knew engines. In your life, it is better to be excellent at one or two things than to be okay at everything. Whether you're a coder, a cook, a teacher, or a salesperson, aim to be the person people call when no one else can find the answer. 4. Learning is the real wealth. Many people stop learning once they finish school. They think their education is over. But the world changes quickly. If the old man had stopped learning about new engines 20 years ago, he wouldn't have been able to fix that ship. To stay valuable, you must keep improving. How to apply this to your life? If you want to achieve great things, change your focus from just working hard to building valuable skills. Identify your hammer. What is the one thing you can do better than most people? If you don't have one yet, pick something you enjoy and practice it every day. Study the where. Don't just do the work, understand why it works. Learn the deep details of your job or hobby. Invest in yourself. Spend time reading, taking courses, or finding a mentor. The money and time you spend on learning are never wasted. Be patient. The old man was 70. His value came from his long journey. Don't be discouraged if you aren't an expert yet. Keep tapping away at your goals. Conclusion. Your life is like that giant ship. Sometimes things will come to a stop. You might feel stuck, and you might try to work as hard as possible to get moving again. But remember the old man and his hammer. Success does not belong only to the people who run the fastest or work the longest hours. It belongs to those who take the time to learn where to hit. Build your skills, gain your experience, and treasure your knowledge. Your expertise is your true power, and it is the only thing that can turn a gentle tap into a massive success. Instead of just trying to be the most exhausted person in the room, strive to be the most knowledgeable. When you have true skill, the world will gladly pay you for your wisdom, not just your sweat. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future lesson.